Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the essentials so the call works reliably. Sign into Teams and open Calendar. Create a new meeting or choose Meet Now for an immediate call. Once done, pick your camera, microphone, and speakers in settings devices to avoid last-minute audio problems. Make sure network is stable. Prefer wired or 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Invite participants by adding emails or copying the join link. This gets you into the meeting and ready to configure options quickly. Next, focus on detailed configuration to control flow and access. Set date, time, and duration, then paste a concise agenda in the description so attendees know expectations. Click Meeting Options to control the lobby, who can present, and whether attendees can unmute or start video. Attach files or OneDrive links to the invite so everyone can prepare. If external guests join, confirm link access. These steps reduce interruptions and streamline collaboration during the. Finally, run the call and wrap up cleanly while knowing one key fix. Join 5 minutes early to confirm layout, mute controls, and screen sharing. Start with a quick roll call so everyone can raise issues. Use Spotlight or Pin for presenters, create breakout rooms for small group work, and record if needed. If audio/video fails, first restart Teams or switch camera/mic in settings. If that fails, reconnect network or try the web client. This single troubleshooting flow solves most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.